Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you're concerned about your kidney health or looking to support your kidneys naturally, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 12 natural foods that can help heal your kidneys fast. These foods are packed with nutrients that not only support kidney function, but also protect them from further damage. So, let's get started. Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. But with our modern diet and lifestyle, our kidneys can often become overworked and stressed. That's why it's so important to give them the right nutrients to stay healthy and function properly. By incorporating these 12 natural foods into your diet, you can help support your kidneys, reduce the risk of kidney disease, and even promote healing if your kidneys are already damaged. Food number 1, blueberries. First on our list is blueberries. These tiny berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Blueberries are also low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, making them kidney-friendly. Add blueberries to your smoothies, yogurt, or salads for a delicious and nutritious boost that supports kidney health. Food number 2, red bell peppers. Next up, we have red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants that help protect your kidneys. They are also low in potassium, which is essential for people with kidney issues. Red bell peppers are versatile and can be added to salads, stir-fries, or eaten raw as a crunchy snack. Food number 3, garlic. Third on our list is garlic. Garlic is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce the strain on your kidneys and lower blood pressure, a key factor in kidney health. Garlic is also great for enhancing the flavor of your dishes without adding extra salt, which is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Food number 4, pineapple. Another great food for your kidneys is pineapple. Pineapple is low in potassium and rich in fiber, vitamin C, and bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation. These nutrients help support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Pineapple is a refreshing snack or a great addition to smoothies and salads. Food number 5, egg whites. Next, we have egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent source of high-quality protein that's low in phosphorus, making them ideal for kidney health. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues, but too much phosphorus can be harmful to the kidneys. Using egg whites instead of whole eggs can help you get the protein you need without putting extra strain on your kidneys. Food number 6, cranberries. Let's talk about cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to support urinary tract health by preventing bacteria from sticking to the bladder walls. This can help reduce the risk of infections that may strain your kidneys. Enjoy cranberries in juice form, but make sure it's unsweetened, or add dried cranberries to your salads and oatmeal. Food number 7, cauliflower. Let's talk about cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins C and K, folate, and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Cauliflower is also low in potassium, making it a great choice for kidney health. You can enjoy cauliflower steamed, roasted, or even mashed as a healthy alternative to potatoes. Food number 8, fatty fish. 8 on our list is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects that can protect the kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Omega-3s also help lower blood pressure, which is essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Food number 9, apples. Moving on to apples. Apples are not only delicious, but also high in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds that help cleanse the kidneys and reduce cholesterol. The soluble fiber in apples can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for kidney health. An apple a day really can keep the doctor away, especially when it comes to your kidneys. Food number 10, olive oil. 10 on our list is olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that's rich in polyphenol and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage. It's also great for heart health, which is closely linked to kidney health. Use olive oil in your cooking, salads, or as a dip for bread to reap its benefits. Food number 11, onions. Next up is onions. Onions are rich in flavonoids, particularly quercetin, which helps protect the kidneys from damage. Onions also provide a flavorful way to reduce salt intake, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and kidney function. Whether raw in salads or cooked in dishes, onions are a great addition to your diet. Food number 12, red grapes. Last but not least, we have red grapes. Red grapes are loaded with antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which helps protect the kidneys from damage. They're also low in potassium, making them a kidney-friendly fruit. Red grapes are perfect as a snack, in salads, or as a natural dessert. So there you have it, the top 12 natural foods that can help heal your kidneys fast. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you can support your kidneys, reduce the risk of kidney disease, and promote healing if your kidneys are already damaged. Remember, along with these foods, it's important to stay hydrated, avoid excessive salt and sugar, and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any kidney concerns. These foods are a great way to naturally support your kidney health, but they should complement, not replace, any medical advice or treatment. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more health tips and natural remedies. Let me know in the comments which of these foods you're excited to try, or if you have any other tips for kidney health. Take care and see you in the next video.